Do you ever get, because you don't seem like it, but do you ever get like, you feel pressured to like do something that someone wants you to do, or you seem like
So
you
at first, like when you first start out, of course, you feel like you can't say no, but over time, you're like, man, fuck you. Find somebody else to do that.
yeah, you
I'm not
seem like you have that good attitude about that.
I'm pretty like I don't try not to kink shame people, but there's just some stuff that's not gonna happen.
Because that a lot I hear a lot of girls have trouble saying no and shit. Because people are paying, you feel fucking pressure.
Yeah.
You're a nice person, but yeah, like you got to stop doing that, right?
Yeah. You can be a nice lady all you want, but you still don't have to shove things in your ass if you don't want to.
Oh, yeah. I guess not. But yeah, but even with people paying per minute, that seems like, oh no, I would feel pressure like, oh shit, they're paying per minute. I gotta do what they want,
Well, I have in my bio on Sky Private like what I will do in a show, and then I have extra things that you can tip more for before the show for me to do. Like I'm not doing anal unless you tip me beforehand. I'm not going to change outfits unless you tip me beforehand, or you're paying per minute to watch me change. I mean, I'll do that. There's just some stuff that like bath shows or public shows, like going out in my car and masturbating and stuff like that. Like there's all kind of options, but you do have to pay more.
Oh shit, yeah, I would hope. Fuck, hey, going out in your car, that's in public.